Hey everybody, welcome back. ETPC here doing another unboxing, and this is a Volport air vent cell phone holder for your vehicle. Automatic locking hands, free gravity phone mount. More stable, 5-point support, 360-degree swivel, one-hand operation. Alright, as always, I will leave a link in the description below. You guys can check this out on Amazon. It runs about $12. Let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? Alright, so in the top we have the user manual. Okay. Then we have your typical mounting nut there. And a vent attachment. So, and here we go with the, let's see, that is it for that. Okay, let's check out the device here, shall we? Okay, sorry, didn't get a lot of sleep, so a little silly. A little silly is okay, I think. So, on first inspection here, I just happen to have my handy dandy cell phone here, and so it's just like that. Now I do have kind of a thick case on here, but how it's gonna work, wonder. Whoa, slides that down in there, and that should grab onto that. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, hold it pretty good. How do you get it out of there? So I'm noticing it's going to be a little bit harder to get it on there. Might have to, just because of the way the little arms are and how thick this case is. I just have to put these little rubber parts over the edge of the case there. So if I didn't have a case on here, it would fit perfectly. I wouldn't have to really do anything. How do you make it let go? Once it's grabbing, it doesn't really want to let go, but that's okay. That's good. That's what you want on your cell phone holder. So I think you just maybe slide it up and it lets go, and when you push down on it, that's going to lock in place there, and the more you push down, the harder the little guys grab onto that. So that's kind of cool. Once it's in there, it's not really going anywhere. As you can see, I can hold it upside down and everything, and it holds it quite securely. These are all silicone covered little arms here, and so it's on there. It's not going to come off, so that's kind of cool. Alright, so it has the standard attachment here. Get this in your vent, and you can put that on over there. Let's see. This one also has a thing there. Lock that into place and then screw that on there, and it holds it so it's not going to go anywhere. And you can tighten it down also, and it's really fully adjustable there to where you want it to be. Also, this is kind of interesting. I haven't seen this on a vent one before, but it actually has it so you can tighten this wing nut here. It goes onto your vent, this part, and when you tighten this down, it's going to actually pinch your vent and get a really good grip on there. So that's kind of cool. And like I said before, this can adjust in different ways. Rotate it around sideways if you want to, or whatever. So that's about it for this unboxing. Seems fairly sturdy. And I will be doing a product review here shortly, and a demonstration in the car, so you guys can check that out. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and everyone have a great day out there. We will see you next time.